Guys, it's me, Ashley, and this is my last video on keeping up with fangirls, and that's really sad for me to say because I've been on this channel since the beginning, and it's been over a year, and I've loved every single video that I've done. I love every single one of you guys, and I just can't thank you enough for your support. And I'm not leaving because I've given up on this channel. I know that it's going to come back and be better than ever. I'm leaving because it is a personal decision and I need to focus on my life. I'm going to be going to university in September, and having this channel and my main channel and also trying to have school involved and then cheerleading, it's just going to be a lot. So I thought it'd be best if I leave the channel now before they restart so that it'll be easier for everyone. But I will still be on YouTube. You can check me out on my main channel, and I will still be following this channel, and you guys should not unsubscribe. And I'm going to be like the biggest fan of this channel, liking, commenting, telling people to subscribe, because I've given so much of my efforts to keep this channel going. I've had a lot of fun doing it. I've been mad sometimes because people were not, supportive or not uploading, but I'm just really happy of how far we've come, and I think that the channel can keep on growing, and I wish the girls the best of luck. So thank you guys so much for watching my videos every week for the past year, year and more than a year. Yes, and I will be, like I said, still on YouTube, so check out my main channel if you want to see more of my videos. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's kind of like bittersweet, but like I said, I am not giving up on this channel. I think that it will keep doing amazing things, and you guys shouldn't give up on it either just because I'm leaving. I don't want to leave, but I feel like I have to leave for myself because I can't handle all that responsibility. So yeah, anyways, hopefully I'll see you guys soon. You'll see me on my main channel, so yeah.